Good morning, we are here with Nemanja Majdov. He's a Serbian. Hi.
I won gold in 81, today in Milano, and it was a very good day for me because I'm very emotional because before 2 years I was European champion, juniors, then I injured my knee and was out for 1 year, and that's my first tournament, my comeback, and I was gold. I won gold, and that's the most important.
So you are satisfied by your performance?
Yeah, very happy, and now that he come home.
Okay, and how did you prepare for this competition?
I prepare every day. I train hard, and because I live this life and I dream too much, and that's normal thing to go and win something. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn, and today was my day, and that's it.
And do you have any other competition in the future? Or?
Yeah, for 20 days I have European Championship for seniors, then go also to some tournaments for juniors, Leibniz and Romanian, and then we will see.
And will you stay here for the training camp? Or?
Yeah, I'll stay here for a training camp because now I'm relaxed and I want to fight to everyone.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations for your win.
Thank you.